morning, guys. Anthony from the Wall Street Bull here. I've got my morning coffee. It's almost 10 o'clock. And I made some purchases last night. One of those is EPD. So stick around for this undervalued company. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well. I've got my morning coffee here. It's just after 10 a.m. in the morning on Friday, the 5th of March, and this year is absolutely flying, guys. So I hope you're all investing safely. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video and subscribe, because that would really help me and my channel grow. And not only that, would love to build dividend wealth with you guys. So cheers to that. So last night, obviously, sorry about that. Last night, I had a loss. Been a pretty bad week on the stock market, I will say that. I had a loss of $243.54 last night, which is really annoying. It's 1.31%. Total returns have dropped from like 44% returns across my entire portfolio for the whole time I've been investing. It's now 26%. That's a significant drop of, like 20 to 25% there in my portfolio, but I'm a dividend investor, and that's the reason why I'm investing. $3,857.19 in total returns. That fluctuates every single week. It goes up and down, but that's not the reason why I'm in these stocks. I'm a dividend investor, as you guys know. So now, obviously yesterday I made a purchase in my portfolio. I deposited 155 AUD, and it got me $16.72, believe it or not. I had about $7.20 in dividends in there, guys, and I did some research here, and this is a company that I purchased in, an EPD, ticker symbol EPD, so check that out there on the screen. I purchased 5.472 shares of EPD at $123.94. That's with reinvested dividends. And this company here is really interesting, guys. I was going through my Dividend Tracker, and there's a little cool feature you can see at the bottom, and I'll get into that in a second. But let's have a look at EPD for a second, because I think this is a really undervalued company, guys. So check this out. Their share price is $22.92 today. If we go to the year chart, guys, you can see it's been on the steady rise throughout the year, and this is obviously with everything to do with Rona. So check this out. It's just slowly creeping up there over the year, and there's a reason why this is happening, guys. So let's have a look at the 3-year chart just out of curiosity. You can see that it's hovering around that $23 mark, $29 mark. So I mean, it's pretty stable. Did drop down in March, which is predictable with everything going on in the world. But their dividend yield is sitting at 8%, so it is quite high. And that is, it is a risky thing, but these guys have actually raised their dividend, and I'll get into that in a second. But these guys, Enterprise Products Partners, is a provider of midstream energy services, producers of consumers of natural gas and natural gas liquids, crude oil, petrochemicals, and refined products in North America. And if you scroll down, guys, to their financials, and I'll get into Yahoo Finance in a second, because it's a really good tool. Their revenue is up throughout Q1 of 2020, Q2 of 2020, Q3 and Q4. Look at the revenue these guys are generating here, which is really good to see, guys. So they're generating income, which is great. But one thing I wanted to show here, guys, if you go to Yahoo Finance, this is a really good tool, guys, just to check on the dividends and what analysts are saying about these stocks as well. So this goes for any company. So you can see $20.92 there. It's got some really useful data down here, guys. But the other thing is, well, if you go to details, you can see that the revenue there and the earnings. So check that out. This has been rated a strong buy. So pretty much, as I was saying, this is an undervalued stock, guys. I believe there is a lot more value in this stock. With regards to what is actually happening with EPD, sorry, I'll go back into that, guys. If you scroll down here, so check this out. Why Enterprise Products Partners jumped 5.1% on Monday. So let's have a look at the story here, guys. This is interesting. Enterprise Products Partners is buying power from 100 megawatts of solar project from developer EDF Renewables. So this is really interesting, guys, because they're getting into renewable energy here. The total project is 345 megawatts and is located in Walton County, Texas. sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, guys, to the US. The agreement is part of a management plan to generate 25% of its power from renewable energy sources by 2025. For an energy company, guys, getting most of their revenue from renewables, that is really good to see, guys, because it means that it can potentially have no issues in future with regards to, you know, oil prices or fluctuations. They're just purely on renewables, which is really good. And check this out. So now, buying power from solar energy products is a way of companies to lower the risk of cost of energy rising, which is ironic for an energy company, and that is true. If the cost of electricity rises, enterprise products is effectively locking in their costs here, giving the company a cost shield, which is really good. But it's also a way to signal to investors and the community they are making environmentally sound investments. Now, everyone's going towards EV companies and tech stocks and all this sort of stuff, and sort of leaving the crude oil sector and throwing it in the bin, basically, and everyone's predicting it's going to be crashing. So, I mean, this is a really positive sign, guys. And I won't get into that now, but one thing I will show you on my dividend tracker, guys, and by the way, I'm sitting at now $851. I had a dividend increase, I think about $12 by adding those 5 shares. I increased my dividend yield by $12 a year, which is now sitting at $851.75. You guys can see that. So I just need to have my morning coffee. Monthly dividend now is $70.98 a day, $2.33 a day. That's pretty cool. 4.55% dividend yield is the average. And I'm due to receive one from Peak of 10 cents today. PFE, which is Pfizer, of 27 cents. Starbucks, everyone knows Starbucks, 67 cents. TLT, 3 cents. So you can see the top 3 payers now. EPD is up in that top 10, guys, which is really cool, $32.72. But I want to show you something really cool feature here. If you go to your portfolio, so check this out. This is how I decided to put that $155 into EPD. So let me scroll down here, guys. Where are you? Here. So this is a really cool feature, guys. You can see I'm sitting at 14.135 shares of EPD, Enterprise Products Partners. If you scroll down, I didn't realize this until last night. I was sitting on the couch when I was buying this stock. So check this out, dividend history. Really cool feature, guys. So check this out. April 2017, 22 cents. July 2017, 42 cents. So extra dividend date. So check that out. So hang on, 0.41. Sorry, 41 cents a share, 42 cents. And you keep scrolling up, guys. Look at their dividend increases. Since 2017, 41 cents. 44 cents for 2020, and we'll go to ex dividend day, January 2021, 45 cents. This is amazing because it's gone from 41 cents to 45 cents a share. It's increasing, which is great. They've had dividend increases for a significant amount of time, which is really good, guys. This is awesome. Now, this is another cool feature. Check this out. So if I didn't buy any more of EPD, after 5 years, I would have $520.27, and my annual dividend would be $44. That's really cool, but let's just go straight to the 20. So if I didn't do any more investing, I just reinvested the dividends, I would have $3,531.93, annual dividend of $448. That's remarkable, guys, because it just goes to show that, and this is saying I would have 106 shares by the time in 20 years, which obviously will be a lot more than that if I continue to invest in this company. But the amazing thing here, guys, in the dividend history is it's paying dividends and it's increasing those dividends. Now, let's go to, for example, ExxonMobil, which I love the company as well because it pays a really good dividend. So we'll scroll to Exxon. I've got 59 shares of Exxon. So from 2017, 77 cents, 82 cents, 87, 87, 87. Now this is the thing, it's remained at 87 cents for quite some time, guys. Like 2019, they haven't had a dividend increase. So this is what I'm trying to say with regards to ExxonMobil. They haven't had a dividend increase. Yes, they're on the higher end, but obviously Exxon's a much bigger company. And let's just have a look at the 20-year one straight up. So in 20 years, I'd have $30,138 and annual dividends of nearly $4,000 Australian. That's insane, guys. That's really good. But that's if I didn't buy any more company stocks in the company. But interestingly, this is why I'm looking at EPD, because not only are they in renewables, guys, but they are increasing their dividend every year, and that's a really positive sign, guys. And obviously with them getting involved in renewables, that's even more of a positive sign, and I really like that, because it just means that you know, they're going to be basically securing their position in the energy market with renewable energies rather than relying on crude oils and stuff like that. So guys, check it out. It's a really interesting company. I thought I'd just do a quick video on it because I think it's a great company to invest in, and I think it's really undervalued at the moment. So I increased my dividend there by every quarter, which is really cool, guys. Now you can see in June this month I'm due to receive over $100, which is amazing. This April next month as well, they confirmed dividends of where are we, $16.17. So that's really cool, guys. You can see all the companies I'm receiving dividends from there. And April, I believe, is when EPD is going to be paying. Let me have a look here, guys. So let me just check. That may be in May. There it is, $8.18. So that's really good, guys. I know it's not a lot of money, but what I'm trying to say is, guys, renewable energies at the moment are the big topic on everyone's minds. So everyone's wanting to invest in renewables. So EPD is a good one, guys. So check it out. I thought I'd share that with you guys because I think it's really cool. And yeah, guys, so make sure you do your research. Make sure you're comfortable investing your funds in this. But EPD, guys, is one I'm buying, and we'll continue investing in because of this renewable energies purchase, guys. And I think it's a really undervalued stock. So check it out. All right, so make sure if you're new to Stake, use the referral code below. If you're new to the channel, like the channel and subscribe because it really helps me. All right, so stay safe, guys. We'll put up some videos next week when I buy some more stocks. All right, take care. Peace. Bye.